Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to enable Team Create on Roblox Studio. So firstly, we need to go Roblox Studios. So now go to the search panel and type in Roblox Studio. Now open the app. After opening, go to My Game and select the game you want to edit with your friends. Now the game has loaded. After the game has loaded, go to the View option from up top, then select Team Create. Now Team Create is enabled. You can invite your friends to create this game with you as a team. In order to invite your friends, you need to click on the Collaborate button. Then from here, you can add any of your friends. So I'll now add one of my friends. I can give either to edit the game and play it or just to play the game. Then I'll save it. After adding my friend and saving, we need to go to the home section and click on Team Test. By clicking on Team Test, we can start the testing phase with our friends and they can join into our test world anytime. So this is how you enable Team Create in Roblox. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.